Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to install add-ons in Blender. Well, first there are two types of add-ons. First, the add-ons which are already bundled with Blender, and second, which we have to install manually. First, the built-in ones. To enable the add-ons, just go to Addons, Preferences, Add-ons. These are the built-in add-ons. Some of them we don't even use, but some are really important, like the Node Wrangler. To install it, type in Node Wrangler. You can see the Node Wrangler add-on. Enable it by just checking it. And not just Node Wrangler, we can add multiple add-ons like the loop tools, the extra objects. Well, we just enabled some add-ons, but we cannot see them all in one place. Like I'm gonna show you now. If we press Shift A now, go to Mesh. Now here we can see a whole lot of new options. It's because we enabled the extra objects add-on, but we can't see loop tools or the Node Wrangler here. Each of the add-on has its own separate purpose and show up where it's needed, like where could be loop tools be. We cannot see it if we press Shift A or just right click. To see it, we have to press N, but still nothing. We can only access loop tools when we are in edit mode. So press Tab to go to the edit mode. And here it is now. You can now see loop tools with its own set of options and features. And now for the Node Wrangler, we cannot find it in any 3D view. It's only available in shading view in the node setup. So go to the shading tab, but Node Wrangler is not installed as an option. We can't just see it, but once we have enabled it, we can perform certain set of commands or actions which we cannot do if we don't have it enabled. Like select the principal node setup and press Ctrl T, and it will automatically set up all of these nodes for us. And if we don't have it enabled, we have to do all of it manually. Now, how to install external add-ons. For that, you have to go to Edit, again Preferences, Add-ons, but this time click here on Install. And now go to a folder where you already have downloaded the add-on from the web. Select it and install add-on. It was already downloaded before, that's why it didn't show up here, but you can find it. You just have to type its name and you will find Scene Skies. Here's a tip for the new beginners. Once you enable an add-on and you cannot find it for the loop tools, you can find its location here, or even read its documentation on how to use it. Same goes for the Node Wrangler. Now back to Scene Skies. As you can see, Scene Skies is a world add-on, so we can find it here in the world tab. See, Scene Skies. We can easily use it, but like I said earlier, if you're a new beginner and can't find the add-on, you can check its location or read its documentation so you may know where it might be or how to use it. Well, this is it for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please like the video and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Y'all take care till then, and happy blending.